Configuring and verifying PoE on Cisco switches. Typically, every series of Cisco switches has models that support power over Ethernet, and models which don't. This can be easily seen in the name of the switch model indicated with the letter P. For example, WSC3850-24TL is not PoE-capable, and WSC3850-24PL is PoE-capable. By default, all switch ports are in PoE mode auto, which means that if the interface detects that PD is connected, it automatically starts providing power. T. His can be checked using the show power inline command. Let's look at the following example. Note that the switch says it has 370 W of power available to end clients. Currently, 60 W are used, so 310 W remains. As explained above, all devices are in admin state auto. Note that interface FA01 is not shown in the output. This is because PoE is explicitly disabled on this port by the network administrator. This is done using the power inline never command in interface configuration mode. Let's see how interface fast Ethernet 01 was configured. If you want to see more detailed information about a specific interface, you can use the following command show power inline fast Ethernet 15 as shown in picture example. Common use cases. In today's world, buildings' infrastructure is getting more complex every day. Subsystems such as lighting, cooling, security, and communication are getting more difficult to manage and operate. Power over Ethernet provides a technical solution that combines these independent infrastructures into a common medium, Ethernet network. Imagine a large international airport, for example. There are hundreds of security cameras, body temperature, sensors, information tables, barcode scanners, phones, and all kinds of devices that are part of the airport operations. All those devices need power, but there are no power outlets and wall sockets everywhere, and it is not safe and convenient to deploy electrical circuits to all devices in such congested with people buildings. The natural solution is to use power over Ethernet, because all those sensors and devices need network connectivity as well. Using single cable for both data and power is the best fit for most of the infrastructure systems. Other industries where PoE is widely deployed are retail, hotels, enterprise IT, hospitals, and industrial facilities. Benefits of PoE cost-effectiveness and flexibility. Using PoE instead of conventional electrical wiring decreases significantly the electrical costs of installation of wall circuits. It also provides more granular control of connected devices and enables more complex features around device, powering such as automation, scheduled power off, power on, and many more. Manageability and simplicity. Powering end devices over Ethernet. Cables eliminates the need to position the device close to the power circuit. It also improves the standardization of powering, eliminating different types of AC/DC adapters and connectors, which makes the infrastructure easier to manage and operate.